Do you want to mention someone in Instagram Notes? You can tag people on Instagram Notes with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to mention someone in Instagram Notes. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Mentioning someone in Instagram Notes allows you to tag friends within your notes. This includes their username within your note with a clickable tag. This is a way to directly address them within a note. To tag someone in Instagram Notes. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. From the Instagram home screen, tap on the message icon located at the top right of the screen, or swipe left from your newsfeed to access your direct messages. At the top of the direct message section, you'll find the Notes section. Tap on your profile picture, which is at the first of the Notes section. You'll see a blank area where you can type your note. Tap on the text field provided to start writing your note. To mention someone in your note, type at the rate followed by your friend's username. As you begin typing, Instagram will suggest accounts based on the letters you've entered. Tap on the correct account to tag someone in your note. You can also add videos or music to your notes. If you choose to do so, follow the video I have added in the description box. Once you're satisfied with your note, tap on Share from the top right of the screen. Your friend will receive a notification once you share the note, and they'll be able to click on their username within the note to visit their profile. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.